Good morning. Today we are going to open up this fan. It is a Holmes Heritage Collection 6-inch metal table fan. Has all metal construction, brushed antique copper finish, and 2-speed settings.
Let's take a big, you want to take a big off?
Yep, we're going to. It is a 6-inch metal fan.
It's a round fan.
As you can see, there's the owner's guide, metal table fan. It says, please read and save these important instructions.
Okay, let's take it styrofoam
All right,
now.
so my son wants to take this out. So
Take this
here is the fan. It's a nice little table fan.
And then turn on.
It's got metal blades inside, 4 blades. It's got a little carrying handle on top. It's got adjustable. It's adjustable, you can see. And there's the plug on the back, as well as the switch on the back. It's got 2 speeds.
Turn on.
Okay, buddy.
Here,
So let's.
turn it on.
So we're gonna turn this on. Okay. All right. So we've got the Holmes 6-inch metal table fan plugged in. It's got 2 speeds, a low speed and a high speed. You turn it on, buddy. There we go. It's fully adjustable, up or down.
Up or down.
It's got tightening knobs at the side, but it does not oscillate.
Up, fan on.
It's a very nice kind of copper antique finish. Be great for a bedside fan or an office fan.
It's going to be fast.
It's nice and quiet. Picked it up. Also picked it up for 20 bucks at Target. So not a bad deal. That's it for the Holmes 6-inch metal table fan. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
It's a fan.
It is a fan.